Lawnmower scalping grass can totally wreck your yard's vibe, so if you want that lush green look, you gotta know how to avoid mowing too low and damaging your lawn. First off, don't just set your mower to the lowest setting and hope for the best. Raising your mower blade height is key, especially during hot months when grass gets stressed out. You know how people say, measure twice, cut once? Same idea here. Check your mower's manual or look up the perfect cutting height for your specific type of grass. Most lawns like to chill at around 2.5 inches, but warm season grasses might want it a tad higher. Always mow when the grass is dry, because wet clumps can totally mess with the cut and leave bald patches. If you notice your mower leaving uneven spots or tearing the grass instead of slicing clean, it's probably time to sharpen those blades. Dull blades basically rip and shred, which just makes everything look worse and can invite disease. Never cut off more than 1/3 of the grass blade at a time. If it's a jungle out there, give it a trim, then wait a few days before mowing again. Oh, and mix up your mowing pattern every now and then so you don't get those weird tracks or ruts in the yard. One of the most common mowing mistakes is setting the blade too low, which leads to lawnmower scalping and leaves your grass super vulnerable to weeds and sun damage. To fix this, always check and adjust your mower height before starting, especially if you're switching from one part of the yard to another. Another big issue is using dull or damaged blades. These tear up the grass instead of giving a clean cut, so sharpen your mower blades at least a couple times each season to keep things looking fresh. The third mistake is mowing in the same pattern every single time. This compacts the soil and wears out certain areas, so switch up your routine to let your grass grow strong and healthy. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors way less stressful for homeowners, with tons of honest reviews and clear info so you know who you're hiring. If you do contracting work, it's also an awesome way to get noticed by homeowners in your area and score more projects without all the hassle.